Hey guys, this is Dale with Old School Rides, and I got another one home, but I owned this one prior to bringing it home again. So I took this one over to my buddy's shop, and I decided I'm definitely going to fix it. So we put a rear end and stuff on it. But I want to show you this car. It's super cool, and the reason why I'm keeping it, it's probably valuable, but I don't know how rare it is. But I am a wagon nut, and this is a cool wagon. This is a 1960 Plymouth two-door wagon. Stay tuned. Here we are, guys. 1960 Plymouth two-door wagon. This is the coolest thing. I wanted to show you guys this. I've had it for a little while. It's been in my buddy's shop. He took some time with it. We actually put some wheels and tires on it. This is, right now, it's a slant six car. I'm gonna come in a little bit, but check this out. We've got two-door wagon. Unbelievable. Like, it is rare. Here we have some really cool stuff. I'm gonna peek you inside of it here. We've got the dash and things, and it's 3 on the tree, which is awesome. Gotta love that. And nice red interior. Look at that headliner, super clean, straight. This car is all here. I love the mirror on the dash, but great car. Definitely one I'm keeping. You know, the door panels are here, nice. But just super neat. I wanted to peek inside it real quick. Now we'll walk around it and show you some of the fun stuff. So we're just gonna skip back to here. These are some of my favorite wheels. These are the American Racing Daisies, and these are the newer ones. So they're actually really lightweight. Those are bigs in the back, and we're doing littles. You know, we've got some pretty nice tires and stuff on them, but and it is set up with disc brakes in the front already, which is one great thing. And then we went ahead and we got disc brakes on her in the back. You can see them hiding in there. And then what's really crazy is, check this out. Look at these fins. Nothing better than 60 Plymouth fins. This back end is so cool. Just great. And the car's sitting super good. Look at those fancy dual exhausts, guys. But look at the width of that tire that we got under this poor little wagon. Okay? Now, that doesn't happen every day of the week. You can see our disc brakes up in there, and the springs are actually factory rebuilt springs with new hangers and stuff. But we actually had to take this rear end, and we narrowed it just a little bit, got rid of that bolt through one, and we moved the spring actually inboard just a little bit right here. We moved it inboard so that we could get the bigger rear end in. That's the way we used to do it old school wise. Just move the hangers over front and rear, and man, look at that. That is a big hunkin' meat of tire. Let's see what size these guys are. Take a peek on it here. I think they're 295s. Gosh, can't see it on this one. Maybe I can go back to the other one. But man, the fins, I can't get over the fins. That's what's my favorite. Look at this gas cap up here, hiding in the edge there. But doggone it, I thought one of these for sure would have a mark on them. I think there's 295 50s on here. But great tire. Back to the fins. Oh, check out these little grab handles. Kind of like on a lot of the old hearse and stuff. Lots of room in the back. So let me back up a little bit here. Just doesn't get any better than this. Look at how straight that thing is. Man, I love this car from day one because I am a wagon guy. I mean, right down to these mirrors. Gotta love these mirrors out front on here. I don't know if those are factory or not, but they're super cool on this car. And I got those American Racing Daisy wheels. They're copies of the old school ones, but super lightweight. Look at that front end. That is so neat. Just mirror sticking up in there. She's low to the ground. So 4-wheel disc brakes. Gotta love it. We'll take a quick peek at that power plant real quick. So here it is, a little tougher job than I thought. We don't have springs on this thing, and I'm not seeing a prop rod off handy here, but I want you to take a look at this. So we have headers on a slant six engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, and she's power disc brakes. Better view over here, you guys can take a look at that. Just so much fun. I'm probably haven't decided if I'm gonna leave that slant six in here or whether we're gonna aim her towards a new Hemi, but I just couldn't believe that this car came with that motor and stuff in it, and the disc brakes already converted, and I did the rear end and put the new tires on. So I think the drive shaft's in it. I think we're gonna try and hook her up and see if we can go for a ride. Let me get this hood put back down. Well, guys, there it is, my 1960 Plymouth 2-door wagon. It's coming along great. I got to thank the guys over there at Arizona Differential Specialists for helping me get that rear end under, and they take care of all my cars. You couldn't hire better guys for it. But you guys like, subscribe, Old School Rides. We'll see you till next time. Maybe it'll have a Hemi in it by then.